Hey guys, here's a 50-inch Casablanca Panama ceiling fan in the antique white finish. This fan also features a 4-arm adjustable style light kit, as well as the antique white blades. This particular model is from April 18th, 2002. So this is one that features the newer tag. Not really too much else to say about it. One thing I found kind of funny is that the pull chains that originally came with this fan even had the Hunter clips on them. So I guarantee they were original to the fan, which shows this was a product of when Hunter bought out Casablanca. But other than that, there's not really much else interesting about this fan. Demonstrate it. Here's the light. Light works just fine. It's a candelabra style light kit too, so it has the 4 bulbs in there. And here's low. Of course, it's very quiet. It did come with all the mounting hardware too, I just don't have it installed right now. Works just fine. Here's medium. Flywheel is in pretty good shape too, which shows that this fan was taken down correctly. The previous owner took off all the blades, so therefore the flywheel is not crooked or anything. And here's high. There's a ton of air. Features the XLP 2000 motor. I'm gonna turn the light on. I think it looks kind of nice with the light. I get very thrown off with the low, medium, high startups. There's top. I don't know know if there's the tag up there. It might be up there. There it is. It's made in Taiwan. Also, one thing, this is bent a little bit, which it's not a big deal. It's just, you know, it's fine. But anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.